Manyar, and today I am going to show you my app which I made in the MIT App Inventor. This app is about the importance of digital education in this pandemic. How are you guys? So this was my intro. Now let us see the full app in details. But first, let us understand the need of online education in this pandemic. COVID 19 has definitely affected the lives of everyone, but we will have to learn living with it. In this scenario, education cannot just be stopped. Through this app, I will tell you how we can include digital education in the life of a normal student. The intro that you had heard earlier was played in the player, which is a part of the MIT App Inventor. But do you know what is the MIT App Inventor? I'll tell you what is it. It is an online platform designed to teach computational thinking concepts through development of mobile applications. This is a digital school app and you wish to log in, then of course you can enter the username and password to access it. But what if someone else tries to log in with your username? Just have a look at it. Oops, the password was incorrect. So this app also serves for security purposes. So this is the home page of your app. First, let us see the student profile in the dashboard. This shows you details like this: student name, grade, division, roll number, and it also allows you to mark your attendance. So, if I was present in that on that day, so I will write present here or I'll write absent. So, now we get back to the home page. But remember, the school also keeps a track of the attendance. Now we'll go to the Parents tab. It will display your parents' photo here and they will also show you the parents' name, mobile number and their Gmail ID for contact purposes. Now we go back to the home page and now we head to the fees tab. So this is the fees tab. The yearly fees for this academic year 2021 is 75,000 rupees. You can pay by clicking the button pay now. But I have already paid the fees. So it shows you have already paid the fees. Thank you. Now we get back to the home page. So now we go in the eCampus and we go in the timetable. So the eCampus is basically all about your academic part. Firstly, you can see the class timetable, which is somewhat like this. The timetable is for the live lectures. So we head back to the eCampus and go to the homework. Homework is an important aspect when it comes to your studies. On the screen you can see the homework for that particular day. Now, what if a child has missed the lecture due to some problem or wants to revise what was taught in the lecture? Then he or she can see the recorded lectures here.
Mother to Son by Langston Hughes. Wilson out.
So this was the recorded lecture. So now we go to the worksheet. This is a physics worksheet which was given to the student to solve for more practice. Now we get back to the home page. So we go to the report an issue now. Here you can report if you have any issues. You just need to shake the device like this. So now it shows us, are you sure you want to send the email? Then I click on this, so it comes your email has been sent to the management. We'll get back to you shortly. So now we go to the circular. Here comes the circular, which is posted by the school management to the parents to inform about the upcoming digital learning pattern. This now we go to the live lectures. This tab shows you the meeting ID, meeting link, and the meeting password. So, there are also some online etiquettes which are used to be followed in the live lectures. So, guys, did you enjoy the app? I would also like to thank the teachers and the faculties at Science Kids for teaching me how to invent an app in the MIT App Inventor. Thank you. Hope you liked my app. Bye.